This is Amber coming to you with the FRAG VIEW, coming to you with another video review, and today we are going to get into my must-haves that I purchased, okay, in the month of July. Some things that I feel like should be on your list, or maybe you could put on your list, but that I have enjoyed and experienced, and I just want to share. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we spill sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. But that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all. Thank you for clicking on and subscribing, okay? But let's get into it, fam. I just got to tell you, let's get into it. These are some suggested must-haves that I have been experiencing and have been enjoying, okay? These are some body products. I have some fragrances. I have some deals that I've gotten. So let's just get right into it, okay? First off, if you all saw my Amazon haul, okay, we can link that in the cards or at the end, wherever we can. But in that haul, I hauled this body wash, and this is the White Musk, okay? And this is from the Body Shop, okay? This was, I want to say it was like $12, $13, but right now, I just looked at it. It's $15 for this bottle. I got it on Amazon Prime. Now, when I tell you, family, if you are like experiencing very hot heat for the summer, okay, and you're looking for something that's just going to be refreshing, going to be prominent in your shower, okay, going to knock you out in this shower. Oh, yeah. Of smelling good, and you don't even need a fragrance afterwards. You heard me, honey. This White Musk, I wish somebody would have told me about this sooner, but this is amazing. I have been enjoying this. Sometimes I forget that I didn't even put a fragrance on. That's how prominent this is. This is so good. So for my Musk lovers, if you love a good, refreshing, fresh, and you know what? This is not even heavy laundry smell, but this gives you like a beautiful musk fragrance. If you like initial musk therapy, okay, this is the body wash that you want to pair with that. When I tell you, this is like similar vibes. I absolutely have been enjoying, look, and I just thought, like, I have been enjoying this body wash. And you all know, like, I have sensitive skin, so the gel doesn't always work for me, but this has worked. So far, so good. So far in the clear. But from the Body Shop, White Musk has absolutely been a pleasure in my shower, okay? Moving on. Next from the Body Shop, honey, yo, if you know, you know, okay? But AI the Great was talking about this and was talking about this Lychee fragrance. And this is the scrub from the Body Shop. So you know your sis had to get on that train. But when I tell you, she ain't never lied. It is so good. I would highly suggest you pick this up from the Body Shop. Unless you want to wait until it goes into TJ Maxx. I wouldn't wait, honey. If it was me, I would just order it, which is what I did. But also with this lovely fragrance, honey, bomb, I also picked up the Passionfruit one. And when I say it is the refreshing Passionfruit.
That's true. It's very refreshing.
It is a different texture, right? And I don't think you can really see it, but it's like very, like a little bit of a wiggly watery. But when I tell you the fragrance, if you like passion fruit, it's like the passion fruit is like right at your nose. It's like you could eat this, okay? And it's a scrub. Amazing. The feeling, amazing. It has projected. I, again, don't need like, who needs the fragrance? Because you're like, oh man, I really did put fragrance on. You kind of forget about that with these products. But last but certainly not least, if you are ready for the fall.
No. No. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
You like, sis, no, I'm not ready for the fall. I'm ready. I'm enjoying my disrespectful summer. Okay, that's fine. But if you were trying to dip and indulge in the fall, also from the Body Shop that I would say is a must-have is this spiced orange. And this is a body butter. When I tell you, this is fall in a body butter. So if you are looking for something spice, but orange, but just gives you that almost like, not even pumpkin, but gives you that fall spiced cinnamon vibe and orange. Pick this up. So good. I cannot wait to like get my everything on this, okay? Pairing, if you have some spiced fragrances that you want to kind of do in the fall, and all you like, oh, even my almond girls, where you at? An almond and a spiced orange. Who gonna be telling you anything? I don't know what they about to say to you, because you're gonna be smelling good. So highly suggest, definitely, if you are looking for some fall body care or body wear, get this in your body wardrobe, okay? Moving on. Next up, okay, you all been talking about it, and now I know. Okay, I know. I got it from Amazon Prime too. So there's Janeiro, the the oil that is too. Let's call it what it is. It's just too high price for no reason. Well, it do smell good. It is everything. But it's still too high price. You know, come down a little bit. Come down a little bit. I got from Amazon Prime, it was like, I think like $10 off. But when I tell you, this has absolutely been a joy, I must say. I must say, sis, this what you want. This has been a really joy on my body and the smell and projecting all the things. Put this on your must-have list. Just wait for a deal, okay? Moving on. Next up, I dipped a little bit into Jo Malone. Okay, and let me tell you, so the Nordstrom sale, right? You all know, if you all, been around on YouTube streets, you know the sale is, I believe, still going on, right? So they had Jo Malone, and they had, let me get it out. Here we go. They have the wood sage and sea salt. This is the body and hand wash, okay? So I have been hearing so much about, wood sage and sea salt. It's so good for the summer. See, this is what you want. So I've been hearing a lot of things about this, right? So I was so happy that, y'all see that price, that it was on the Nordstrom sale, and then I could, get the body wash, right? But honey, I got a surprise that I didn't know about, okay? So I walked into Nordstrom, just a quick side, 1-2, just quick. But walked into Nordstrom, definitely, my eye was purchasing this, right? Well, the sales associate, she said, oh, well, you have, like $70 in credits on your Nordstrom. I said, excuse me?
What did you say?
You said there's money?
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke.
There's money points, you said? Money for another purchase? Oh, Absolutely. When she told me that, I was like, oh, you ain't got to say nothing else to me. Because then what I did do, I got the wood, sage, and sea salt, the body creme. Had to. You said I get, so that basically, this is free, right? You said 70, this is free. And then I can add a couple of dollars to this high price item. I am so glad she told me that. So I was able to get, okay, the body creme. I am going to enjoy that. And of course, Joma Shop, you know, she was already coming. I just didn't put this in my birthday haul because I was going to talk about her anyway. But, for my birthday, I got wood sage and sea salt from Joma Shop, Joe Malone. Okay, and when I tell you the packaging, the same, y'all. So again, Joma Shop, I ain't got no beef with Joma Shop. Joma Shop has, you know, there was a time, you know, I did have that faulty spray that we had to get together. But other than that, I've really enjoyed my experience with Joma Shop, and this is a complete package, and this is so beautiful. Okay, this reminds me of just like Fresh Princess. Okay, like this is like classy Barbie or something. Like this is so good and fresh, and honey, unisex. I feel like a man could get away with this. Honey, this is good. But when I tell you a package deal, and I didn't even know that I had it. Love it for me. Moving on. And last but certainly not least, that I think has to be on your must list. Let's trickle down onto Victoria's Secret. Let's talk about Vicky, okay? I don't talk about Vicky a lot, especially with fragrances. I've mentioned that a time or two or 20 on this channel. I really don't go to Vicky for fragrances. Nothing wrong with Vicky and fragrances. I normally do like the body mist, right? There is rare that I spend money on the actual fragrances from Vicky, okay? But lately, Vicky been throwing down. And I'm talking about none other than Bare Rose. Did you all get this? Did you all smell this? Yeah, I picked her up. There was a deal on Victoria's Secret that you could actually purchase one fragrance and get one for like half off or something like that, okay? So I definitely partook in that, and I wanted to get the Bare Rose because I smelled this in store because they had the little tester in the store, and I was like, oh yeah, you know, I have Bare, so Bare Rose, and I've been into kind of rose lately. I'm like, well, so what does that really do? And when I tell you, I hope you all got your nose on this because she is everything. I'm sorry, I have to say it. Like, she is everything. So if you're into something that is like kind of your skin but better fragrance, and maybe add a rose onto it, just like a watery rose, your skin but better, this is it. This is it. I would highly suggest you get Bare Rose. It is so good. I have enjoyed this. And that's why I told y'all my tray, it was hard to get to my tray because I have enjoyed this fragrance. This is going to be on my, if you have not seen it yet, this is on my August tray. I am going to get my life, okay? But I told you all, right? It was like buy one, get one half off, right? And so, you know, there's another fragrance from Vicky, Bombshell Owl. This coconut, beautiful, aquatic coconut took my breath away. I'm going to say it. Took my breath away. Now, when it came, because this was online when I purchased, when I came, it was busted. So I had to go into store and swap it out and give me a new bottle because it came, they didn't read fragile. I smelled it through the bag. That's how I knew it was busted. Smelled it through the bag. Anyway, This, if you are by Victoria's Secret, get your nose on this. If you like a good coconut, sis, okay? A good, like, aquatic coconut, kind of a watery coconut. If you like that type of vibe, you're going to absolutely love this. I love this fragrance, okay? And now, is this groundbreaking, this one? I wouldn't say it, but it is pleasant. And if it's a steal deal at that, get this, okay? And if you cannot, you're like, sis, miss me with the 200 bottle fragrance. Suggest something that, is more affordable. These right here, I'm telling you. Go to Vicky, pick these up. These are so good. Would highly recommend you get your nose or hand or pocketbook or purse, clutch, bag, Gucci, whatever. Get your bag, nose on this. This is amazing. I'm sorry. Vicky did it. Victoria's Secret did it for me. With those fragrances, everything. Must have, okay? Moving on. Well, that is all. That is all, family, for my must-haves. Hey, what have you gotten that you're like, sis, you must get this? I want to know. Clearly. Make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.